a galaxy filled with rogue stars. The Milky Way is home to billions of stars, but not all of them are neatly organized in the galaxy's spiral arms. Some are rogue stars, lonely travelers ejected from their original locations by powerful gravitational forces. These stars wander through interstellar space, far from the densely packed regions of the galaxy. Rogue stars can be kicked out of their systems by supernova explosions, interactions with black holes, or even collisions between galaxies. In some cases, these stars are moving at such high speeds that they can escape the galaxy entirely, becoming intergalactic wanderers. These hypervelocity stars provide a unique opportunity to study the dynamics of galaxies and the powerful forces at work within them. One of the most intriguing aspects of rogue stars is that some of them may carry planetary systems with them. These rogue planets traveling through the void of space are completely untethered to a star or solar system. Their existence challenges our understanding of planetary formation and raises questions about whether life could exist in such isolated worlds. The discovery of rogue stars and planets highlights the chaotic and unpredictable nature of the universe. While the Milky Way may seem like a structured and orderly galaxy, its stars tell a story of constant motion, interaction, and upheaval.